Hello, everybody. Prince and the Bear here, and we're back with another Disney Food at Home remake.
Yeah. This time we're going to the Caribbean Beach Resort.
Arg.
One of our favorites.
Arg. Yes, we're going to Spyglass Grill, which actually is a recent...
One of the last places that we reviewed before the parks closed was this dish, so rather recent item.
Yeah, we're keeping it a little simple today. Elevated, but simple.
Yeah.
So today we are making a...
Chipotle Seitan Yuca Bowl from Spyglass Grill.
Yes. So we happen to have some ingredients, luckily enough, to put this together, which is odd for us. So we're going to dive in and hopefully we don't go down with the ship.
Be sure to drink up your Arties.
You heard the girl. So we're back. We finished with our Chipotle Seitan Yuca Bowl.
Yes.
Speedy little thing.
It looks just like the one we got at
It
Spyglass.
smells from here. Can't hold myself back.
Are you going to lime yours?
I am going to lime mine. I don't think I limed it last time.
You don't usually like to lime your food.
I don't.
But actually, I limed it because I tried it first.
Okay. I probably didn't taste it because I'm a bear, and I believe this everything.
This is true.
So, this was actually not so bad to make. The Seitan cooked rather well, just like you would expect any sort of like sliced non-vegan meat to cook. And it smelled nice. Sizzled pretty well.
Yeah, definitely. The yucca's a little weird though, because if you're used to cooking fries, you expect it to like crisp a little bit more or something, but they don't do that.
Yeah, it's still crispy. It just doesn't look as crisp as like a normal potato. But I don't know why we don't eat more yucca. I walk by yucca root all the time. I wonder how hard it'd be to chop.
I don't know.
Guess we're gonna find out one day.
One day.
But let's go ahead and you a lime dink?
Lime. Oh, sure. Dink. My lime has like no juice. I think I got like
A bum lime.
yeah.
Boom, 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 boom. Get some juice out of there. Squeeze that.
Yeah.
So here comes the fun part.
Let's
Tasting
try
it.
it. How are we gonna eat this?
I mean, I don't know. I guess I'm gonna like slice off a piece of the yucca, and then dive in for some beans, and then come back up with some Seitan.
Well, last time I only did the beans and the pico and the Seitan together first, so I'm gonna do that this time.
Me, I'm going all in. Somehow, maybe. Yeah, there we go. Oh, it's not hard.
Dink.
Dink.
It tastes exactly like Spyglass. Reminds me of being back at Disney.
Yes. Makes you want to hop on a gondola and go to Hollywood Studios.
Go red rice.
Yes. But this dish outlines for me, sometimes you don't want to cook like a 5-star meal. Sometimes you want to use a couple things you made fresh, like pico and black beans, and then maybe oven the rest.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing wrong with that. Just little bits of elevation.
And it's still Disney food, so it's like, why not? If it's simple to make at home, and it's Disney.
That was literally a 15-minute meal.
Plus, you know, we're both really partial to Caribbean because
Love that place.
we love all of their food locations.
We
Literally
love
everyone.
There. We love Centertown Market. We love Spyglass Grill.
Even
we
Banana
love
Cabana.
Bistro, Banana Cabana.
And then you can
island.
walk to the Riviera, so you've got like all the good stuff right there.
And then when you're done, you hop a gondola over to Hollywood. You really can't go wrong with
Epcot.
Caribbean. Or Epcot.
So it's like a win-win-win.
People still go there, I forget. At least we did back in the time before whatever the hell we're doing right now.
It's true. It's true.
I like this dish. This is a bear approved and a win for me. Give this one 4 out of 5 claws.
Oh!
I like this. I will definitely eat this again. Yucca fries, all of it. I want to know if you guys have been to Spyglass Grill, the forgotten stepchild of Caribbean Beach Resort. If so, let us know what you had down in the comments. If you plan to make this dish or going to make this or have made this dish, the comments is going to be the place to let us know, along with any other ideas you guys might have for food that we can make from Disney at home. Until then, hit the notification bell if you want to see other videos like this, and
we have new videos 5 days a week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday.
We will see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl.
To err is human. To R is pirate.
Parlay?
Why does everybody want to parlay? Put some lime on it. I'm not sure how I'm gonna like this because I tried the Chipotle Seitan at Centertown Market for dinner and I didn't particularly care for it, so we'll see how this goes. Maybe it'll be better with all this extras. So I got black beans, Pico, Seitan. There we go. I always expect this Chipotle Seitan to be spicy, and it's not. This is actually better flavored than the cheesesteak I had, even though it's the same Seitan. And then, instead of fries, it comes with like yucca chips, I guess. Which are pretty good. I kind of like these a little bit better than the regular Disney shoestring fry, just because they're like thicker. And they also remind me of Nomad's Lounge, where you get the impossible sliders with these. Overall, I feel like this is a good choice. But I think both the Seitan bowl and the tacos are pretty delicious. So not bad. I would get this again.
So I'll give it to this Seitan bowl. It's a little colorful beastie. Love the music in here. I could jam out in here. Some red stripes and a bathing suit all day, if you let me. Let's get a nice full bite. Some pico, some beans, potato, or yucca. It's got a good flavor to it. It's like a Chipotle light. Doesn't really have the spice that I would expect from a bowl like this. But all the flavors, the pico, the Seitan, the black beans, and the yucca come through. So it's a nice hearty bite. It gives you sort of like a hint, but it could use a little bit more seasoning. It's not horrible. I would say if I'm looking for something light and healthy, maybe I don't want meat for the day, I would probably eat this. Give this 2.5 out of 5 plus.